Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Opera GX not opening. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If Opera GX is not opening on your PC, there could be several reasons behind this issue, and here are some troubleshooting steps you can try to fix it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches and allow Opera GX to open normally. Check Task Manager. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Look for any instances of Opera GX running in the background. If you find any, right-click on them and choose End Task. Then, try opening Opera GX. Another method, run as administrator. Try running Opera GX as an administrator to see if it resolves the issue. To do this, right-click on the Opera GX shortcut icon. Choose Run as Administrator from the context menu. Check if Opera GX opens without any issues. Next method, disable antivirus firewall. Your antivirus software or firewall may be blocking Opera GX from opening. Temporarily disable them to see if it resolves the issue. If Opera GX opens after disabling antivirus or firewall, you may need to add an exception for Opera GX in your antivirus firewall settings. Another guide, clear cache and cookies. So first step would be, open Opera GX and go to Settings. Go to Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. Under the Privacy section, click on the Clear Browsing Data. On Basics, choose the time range and choose Cookies and other site data, and cache images and files. Click on Clear Data to clear the cache and cookies. Then, restart Opera GX and check if it opens properly. Next guide, check for updates. Ensure that you have the latest versions of Opera GX installed. To make sure it is on the latest version, go to Settings, Opera Help, and check for updates. If there's a newer version available, download and install it. Another method, reset Opera GX settings. Open Opera GX and go to Settings, search for Restore, then hit on Restore Settings to the original defaults. Confirm by clicking Reset in the dialog box. Then restart Opera GX and check if it opens. Next method, reinstall Opera GX. If none of the above steps work, consider reinstalling Opera GX. Now, to do this, uninstall Opera GX from your PC through the settings and download the latest version of Opera GX from the official website. Next method, check for system compatibility. Ensure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements to run Opera GX. You can find the system requirements on the Opera GX website. And lastly, contact Opera support If the issue persists, you may need to contact Opera support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or help you diagnose the problem further. By following these steps, you should be able to solve the issue of Opera GX not opening on your PC.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.